Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Today let us start a new lesson, Glimpses of India. And glimpse means a brief look or glance. Here we are going to have a brief look or glance of India. This lesson is divided into three parts. They are Baker from Goa, it is written by Lucio Rodriguez. Second part, Coorg, it is written by Lokesh Abrol. And third one is Tea from Assam, that is written by Arup Kumar Datta. So first let us see a baker from Goa, which is written by Lucio Rodriguez. All these parts, they are giving us some special characteristics of three important places. Why those places are famous for? Those things we are going to see in this lesson. First part, it is a baker from Goa. Now let us see. This is pen portrait of a traditional Goan village baker who still has an important place in his society. In the introduction part, it is given like this. This is pen portrait of a traditional Goan village. Usually portrait word we use for drawings or pictures. Here pen portrait means through the writing, the writer is giving a picture of Goan village baker. See, pen portrait of traditional Goan village baker who still has an important place in his society. Still he has very important place in Goa society. Actually, bakers were very famous during Portuguese rule. You know, Goa was colony of Portuguese. Portuguese, they used to rule Goa. That time making bread was very famous. Bakers were very famous. After that they left Goa, but still today bakers have very important significant role in Goan society. See, our elders are open-hearted, reminiscing nostalgically about those good old Portuguese days, the Portuguese and their famous loaves of bread. Those eaters of loaves might have vanished, but the makers are still there. See, our elders are open-hearted, reminiscing nostalgically. Reminiscing means thinking. Okay, thinking nostalgically. Nostalgically means thinking about the past. See, our elders are open-hearted, reminiscing nostalgically, thinking fondly of the past. Elder people, they are still thinking about those good old Portuguese days. Still some old people, elders, they recall the Portuguese days. Okay, Portuguese people, when they were ruling those days, they are recalling. The Portuguese and their loaves of bread, they not only recall the Portuguese rule, they recall the loaves of bread, famous Portuguese loaves of bread. Loaves means, see, loaf, a block of bread after baking. Loaf, it's past tense, plural form, loaves. Okay. So they recall those days and bread. Those eaters of loaves might have vanished, but makers are still there. Yes, those eaters of loaves. Here eaters of loaves means Portuguese people. Okay. Might have vanished. They have vanished. They have gone. But makers are still there. Still today we can see makers, okay, bread makers. We still have amongst us the mixers, the molders, and those who bake loaves. Yeah, still today we can see in Goa mixers. Yeah, making bread, it has different procedures for mixing the flours. After that, molding means giving shape to that, and at last baking that. Okay. So today also we can see such people, mixers, molders who give shape to the bread, and those who bake loaves. Okay. All these people are there in Goa still today. Those age-old time-tested furnaces still exist. Those age-old time-tested means from the past, still today they are there. They did not vanish, still today we can see them. Time-tested furnaces. Furnaces means, see here, a device of heating. Furnace means a device of heating. Those heating devices, still today they are there in Goa. Still they are exist. The fire in the furnaces has not yet been extinguished. The fire in the furnaces has not yet extinguished. Extinguished means stopped or put out. Okay. From the Portuguese days, still today they are in working condition. Okay. The thud and jingle of the traditional bakers, bamboo heralding his arrival in the morning. Okay, still today, the bakers, when they used to come to sell their breads, they make some thud sound with the bamboo stick. That sound heralding means announcing his arrival in the morning. Yes, if anybody hear that sound, it is the indication that bread seller, baker has come. Can still be heard in some places. Still today we can see such sounds in many places in Goa. Maybe the father is not alive, but the son still carries on the family profession. Yes, those old people who used to sell breads, they may not be alive at present, but their children, they are doing the same profession. Okay. They are carrying the family profession, same profession they are continuing. They are selling the breads. These bakers are even today known as podder in Goa. Even today in Goa, they call bakers by the name podders. Okay, podder, it is Portuguese word. For the baker, they use word podder. Okay, we can see many podders in Goa still today. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session.